As the financial world continues to evolve, 2025 has provided some critical lessons for investors. Here are 7 key takeaways to help guide your investment strategy moving forward. Markets are increasingly volatile due to geopolitical tensions, economic shifts, and emerging technologies. Spreading investments across asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, cryptocurrencies, etc., and geographies has proven essential to mitigate risk and maximize returns. Short-term market movements remain unpredictable, but long-term strategies have consistently rewarded disciplined investors. Staying the course and avoiding panic during downturns has been a hallmark of successful portfolios. From AI-driven trading to blockchain-based assets, the financial landscape is becoming more tech-centric. Understanding and integrating tech-driven tools can offer a competitive edge, but caution is necessary to avoid speculative bubbles. Environmental, social, and governance (ESG) investments have outperformed expectations in 2025. Companies that prioritize sustainability and ethical practices continue to attract both capital and consumer loyalty, proving that doing good can also lead to doing well. Economic surprises like unexpected inflationary pressures and interest rate fluctuations have shown that flexibility is more valuable than trying to predict market movements. Building an adaptive portfolio and staying informed can help you adjust to changes effectively. Countries in Asia, Africa, and South America have become hotspots for growth. Investing in these markets provides opportunities, but it's crucial to understand local risks and regulations to avoid pitfalls. Staying informed about macroeconomic trends, industry developments, and personal finance strategies has been the most consistent factor in successful investing. Continuous learning and consultation with financial experts ensure sound decision-making. Investing in 2025 has reinforced timeless principles while introducing new challenges and opportunities. By embracing these lessons, investors can position themselves for sustained growth and financial resilience in the years to come.